I like that.
Hey Kevin, do you have the 17?
No, dude.
You don't have the 10 mil? No, you use it last.
Bro, you always lose the tools here, dude.
No, I didn't. I didn't touch it. Why would that happen? I'm trying to check out my wheel.
I'm pretty sure you did.
Did you check the toolbox yet?
No, I haven't, dude.
Then go check.
Dude. You can't find anything in this, dude. You look at this.
Dude, it's right here.
It's hella there.
Maybe that.
Oh, yeah. I need a 10 mil. You can't.
Dude, this box is so messy, dude.
Makes me give up, man. What are you guys doing?
I'm just looking for a 10 mil, man. Dude, I can't find any mills.
You guys do know that Teng Tools sent us a whole bunch of stuff, right?
Wait, what?
Yeah, the tools are over there.
So you're telling me that thing's been there the whole time, you never told us?
You guys didn't ask.
We literally looked through all this and a new thing's right there.
It just came in today. You guys want to help me set it up? Here it is.
Here's your tool there.
Teng Tools sent us the 569-piece toolkit.
569?
We don't need 569, we just need a 10 mil.
Damn, Teng Tools, do you guys need help putting this together?
Yeah, dude, you want to help us?
That's a lot of tools, dude.
I like that.
Listen, man. Listen, man.
Is that Teng Tools?
Yeah, come check it out.
Dude. Wait, it's not open.
Check this out. Go ahead.
Damn. Dude, this is like,
Dude, that's just the first row, dude. Open
this
up
is
everything.
the mall right now, but what?
We have literally everything.
Everything. Is that, what?
Test it out, dude.
Can
test
I?
it. Yeah, test it out.
Dude, I've been wanting to test something. Can I? Like,
Yeah,
use
you
it right
can.
now? Wait, it's not working. I got you. Now we can see it.
We're finally done, dude. We can finally get the 10 mil, Randy.
Wait, there's no 10 mils. Damn it! I want to give a huge shout out to Teng Tools for being Illiminate's official toolkit sponsor. Thanks for making it possible for us to work on our cars and keeping all of the tools organized. Before this, we had that little toolbox and we kept losing everything. With the Teng Tools kit, we have everything organized, everything snaps back right into place, and that's gonna help us so much.
Thanks to Teng Tools, now I can use the tools on my own cars. And their cars.
Thanks, Teng Tools.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am so hyped on our new toolbox. Thanks to Teng Tools, we can finally work on our cars. Thanks to the new toolbox, we don't have to go to O'Reilly's and AutoZone to search for tools. They literally gave us every tool that we're gonna need. Definitely not gonna need that anymore. If you guys take a look around the shop, it still feels really empty. Today, the homies and I are gonna go IKEA, we're gonna go pick up furniture, and we're gonna make this place feel like home. I've been doing a lot of thinking. I was thinking maybe we can have an artist come and do a mural for the shop. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Let me take you guys into the office real quick and show you how it looks right now. This room is freaking boring. There's nothing in here. But let me take you guys into the office. Look, absolutely no furniture. We only got 2 desks right here. We got Kevin and Tony taking care of some stuff. The homies and I are headed to IKEA right now to look for a couch and maybe a table. We kind of want a TV on the wall right here, but we're really open to any ideas. So if you guys have any ideas at all, go down to the comments below and let me know. Since we're still here, let me show you guys what else we got for the shop. If you guys have ever been in a warehouse before, you guys would know it's fucking hot, right? It's incredibly hot in the shop during the day. So we got one of these. We got a huge fan to circulate all of the air. Here's the high mode. With this, it's gonna feel so much better here in the shop. And we also got it in red on purpose to match the Teng Tools box. How's it feel, Brian?
Feels like a snowstorm in here.
And we went ahead and took the fridge from inside our house for the shop.
This is what we've been doing with no fridge. This used to be ice, but it's still pretty cold actually.
Yeah, it's from the other night. We had a couple of the homies over and had some Modelo's. But yeah, buying ice from the liquor store across the street is so expensive.
Oh yeah.
We had a fridge in the garage that we weren't using, so we brought it all the way here. Susanna is actually helping us clean all the mold inside. It's fucking disgusting. It's from the old owner and they've never used it. I think that is it. All we have to do now is go to IKEA, find the perfect couch, and try to make this place feel a little bit more like home. This is the squad today for IKEA. Let's head out.
Oh,
Yo.
relax.
Bro! Yo, I actually really like this couch. I think this would look really good in the little office. We should just get it? Dude, we just got in here. We didn't even check out any other couches. Yeah, let's go look around. Yeah, let's check out our options first. Decisions. It's kind of ugly, but holy crap. 300 bucks.
I wonder if we need something in here. This is nice. What's over here?
What the? What are you doing? Get out! This motherfucker is literally testing out every couch. What? Oh, you broke it! Oh. Oh shit, hold on. Oh.
Sponsor me.
Nah, chill. Put it back. We already got sponsored.
Attention, shoppers. Tony has a small penis.
You're not clocked in, are you?
Am I?
Hey, Kevin. Kevin.
What's up? I'm trying to sleep.
How's the bed?
I don't know, it's a little small.
Tony's buying all of our food.
What a
Tony's,
daddy.
I know, what a daddy. Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome, son.
What do you call chocolate and nuts together?
Chocolate nut.
Close. Come here. Chocolate nut. Ending the day with some steak.
Sex sack.
Is this chili?
We're back at the shop. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. Hope you guys had fun with us today. We had a blast filming. Unfortunately, we won't be able to put the couch and everything together because it won't be delivered until tomorrow. If you guys want to cop anything at all, website has been restocked. We got new decals, we got the hoodies back in stock, and a whole bunch more. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and go down, hit the subscribe button. We need your help to hit 600K. Later.